Here is how to block senders in Gmail. So let's get started. First open Gmail, and once you're here, you have to come to the email which is sent by the person that you'd want to block. So let's say I want to block Notion that's here. Then it's really simple. I just have to click on the email. Then here click on the 3 lines which are on the top right. And then click on block. It's this option. So here they've said that all mails from this email ID, they'll be marked as spam and they'll only show up in your spam folder. So if you're sure you want to do this, click on block and now it's done. So the same way, you can go to any of these emails, just click on it and then block the sender. And now if you want to see who all you've blocked and if you want to unblock some of them, you have to come to settings that's on the top right. Click on see all settings. Over here, click on filters and blocked addresses. And here, all of the email addresses that we've blocked would come here. As you can see, this is the one that we just blocked. And if I want to unblock them, I can click on unblock. And they've been unblocked. So this is how it works. And if you want to know some important Gmail settings, check out this video. Goodbye.